I heard that you're back in town for the holidays at your parents' house. The last time we spoke was 3 years ago, but sometimes I still think about sneaking out the window when we were more than friends. What if one day we started again? I don't know why, but I still believe in you and I don't know how, but I hope that one day you'll come back around. And you say every road I ever take leads to you, it's all the same. You're the one that got away. I don't know why, but I still believe our stars will align. 'Cause I'm just the right person, wrong time. Sometimes when I close my eyes, I picture us in 20 years' time, where it all worked out. We bought a house and settled down. I know we could do it if we tried to
Pois con este valioso empate despedimos o 2024 dende a posición de líderes. Foi un ano de cantar, berrar, celebrar e ilusionarse, pero tamén de chorar e aprender, sobre todo, de cara ao futuro. Moitas grazas a Peite Ingeniería por apoiar este ensaio e o deporte de Ourense e a vos, ourensanistas, por outro ano de tanto sentimento. Contamos contigo para o 2025, xa que, bueno, vamos cruzar os dedos, pero queda o bonito, compañeiros, e estades a tempo de subirvos a esta tolemia.